Today we will walk through the process of exporting a Figma prototype to video in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Upon arriving at the Figma homepage, locate the option at the top right corner labeled Log In and click on it. This action will prompt you to sign into your Figma account so that you can further access your projects and design work. Once you have clicked the login button, you will be presented with different methods to authenticate. In this tutorial, we will use the option that says Continue with Google. Clicking this button allows you to use your Google account credentials for a seamless and secure sign-in process. You will then see a list of your available Google accounts, and you just need to select the one you prefer to use with Figma. This method simplifies access while keeping your workflow efficient. After signing in, proceed to locate your desired project. You can do this by navigating to your list of projects within your Figma dashboard. Open the project you wish to export by clicking on its thumbnail or through the provided link if you have one bookmarked. This step ensures that you are working within the correct file where you have your prototype designed and ready for export. With your project now in view, move your attention to the bottom of the screen where you will find the Actions option. Click on Actions to expand more options related to managing your project. Within the Actions menu, identify and select the Plugins and Widgets tab. This area allows access to various tools integrated into Figma to extend its functionality, including those for exporting prototypes to video or GIF formats. Within the Plugins and Widgets section, you will need to locate a specific plugin by typing in Export to GIF video. As you type, options will appear, and when you see the desired plugin in the list, click on it to run the tool. Running this plugin initiates a process that converts the prototype you have developed into a video or animated GIF. At this stage, the plugin might prompt you to verify your email. It may require you to check your email for a verification code before proceeding further. Following through with this verification step ensures that the process remains secure and that you have the necessary permissions to use the plugin smoothly. Once the tool is ready, select the specific prototype or frame you want the plugin to export. Make sure that your prototype or the chosen frame is exactly how you wish it to appear in the resulting video. After confirming your selection, return to the plugin interface, which now displays an export option. Click on Export and the plugin will then begin to process your design, ultimately generating a video from your Figma prototype. By following these instructions carefully, you can seamlessly convert your Figma prototype into a video in a matter of minutes. This method streamlines the process and helps you share your interactive design concepts as engaging visual content. Enjoy the ease and efficiency that this export technique provides to your design workflow.